Cape Aspro Trail stands out as one of Cyprus's most breathtaking paths, boasting panoramic views along the rugged coastline. Spanning approximately 4 kilometers in total, this trail offers a captivating journey, with the most scenic vistas accessible within just 1.5 kilometers of walking. Let's delve deeper into its allure.
Embarking from the picturesque Pissouri Beach Bay, nestled between Limassol and Paphos, the trail commences near the Columbia Beach Resort Hotel, offering ample parking facilities for easy access by car. Initially, the trail meanders along the cliff's edge, providing a leisurely stroll of about 1 kilometer, affording enchanting views of Pissouri Bay. While the path remains relatively straightforward, a few challenging segments require navigating through small gorges, where the aid of ropes may prove beneficial. Upon reaching the promontory's edge, a hidden gem reveals itself in the form of the secluded Skip-Lili beach below, inviting travelers to descend for a tranquil interlude. Subsequently, the trail turns uphill and begins a climb, where its true splendor unfolds. Here, amidst the rugged terrain, a juxtaposition of a mountain river valley and precipitous cliffs descending into the sea captivates the senses. At every turn, a new postcard-worthy vista emerges, beckoning photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. While caution is advised along certain sections of the trail, it is important to note that the route is not deemed perilous, ensuring a safe yet exhilarating exploration of Cyprus's coastal beauty.
At about this juncture, 1.5 kilometers from the starting point, you will reach an impressive altitude of 160 meters above sea level. The trail diverts from the sea and meanders along an almost level plateau, gradually ascending to the next scenic promontory. The weathered structures nestled below serve as shelters for the sheep that roam these lands during the winter months, indulging in the abundance of lush greenery. We are now positioned 4 kilometers from the outset. If you are a devoted hiker, you can theoretically extend your journey, venturing even farther to discover a narrow path that will lead you down to the wild beach Pissouri. From there, you can ascend from the depths and embark on Genesis Aphrodite's trail, guiding you to Prolimnos Beach, referred to as Dog's Beach. However, this trek is tailored for seasoned hiking enthusiasts who are adept at navigating the terrain and unafraid of encountering untamed mountain goats grazing in those locales. Consequently, the overall length of the route will span 9 kilometers, culminating at the highway.
Now let's cast a glance behind us and return to our starting point. Trust me, the vista behind us will be equally enchanting. You'll capture numerous breathtaking photographs as we retrace our steps.
The rocks you see used to be the seabed. 90 million years ago, an ancient ocean dominated the landscape. As the African plate edged closer to the Eurasian plate, a remarkable phenomenon unfolded beneath the ocean's surface. Deep within the void between these colossal plates, the Troodos volcano emerged, slowly releasing its molten contents into the depths, gradually transforming the ocean floor with layers of hardened lava. The relentless movement of the African plate beneath the volcano exerted immense pressure, propelling underwater volcano Troodos skyward. In time, the small volcano has emerged along with the surrounding seabed. Thus, the birth of Cyprus unfolded, a convergence of an underwater volcano and surrounding seabed.
Presently, we're flying above the trail's starting stretch. This trail beckons year-round exploration. Nevertheless, during summer, an early departure is recommended to return to the refreshing beach before the day's heat sets in. We extend our best wishes for a delightful holiday and journey to all